A cozy accommodation, heartwarming hospitality, an extensive spread of toothsome culinary wonders, upmarket in-room facilities, and tranquil pool water to cool yourself down. How better can a satisfying staycation be for you? Hello everyone, welcome to Radisson, Hyderabad. So after checking in our room, oh wait, we had to wait. Wait a lot indeed, to finally get check into our room. We got a check in at around 2 p.m., and the first thing we did was hit the lunch buffet. We had the lunch buffet included in our package, and we got to know that the buffet gets over at 3 p.m. So we left our luggage at the reception and headed to their in-house restaurant first for the buffet. The buffet offered here at Radisson is considered to be the largest in Hyderabad, and I bet you can't even taste everything. It is really huge, and you will be full even if you go tasting just one spoon of each item. I am a vegetarian, as you might be knowing by now. So, for starter, I had paneer tikka, honey chili potatoes, veg stir fry, and veg nuggets. For the main course, I had on my plate some veg biryani, tofu in garlic sauce, some hakka noodles, methi aloo, and mac and cheese. My dessert plate comprised of mango pudding, mango ice cream, gulab jamun, brownie, a coconut ball, a barfi, and some orange and nuts cake. And I tell you, this is not even half of the huge spread they had laid out for the lunch buffet. The ambience of the restaurant was undoubtedly amazing, and the food tasted good too. After our lunch, we checked in our room. Wait, I'll give you a room tour. So we spent some time resting and just chit chatting in our room. Late in the evening, we went to the poolside, relaxed for some time, and had a drink. Later, we returned to our room. We chose to skip dinner as we had a lunch quite late in the afternoon and we ate really a lot. So, after returning from the poolside, it was quite late and I made some green tea. We just sat down talking into the night over this green tea and later winded up. This was the beautiful night view from our room. Really wonderful and so heartwarming. This was the view from our room the next morning. It was a beautiful, beautiful morning, and we started our day with this huge breakfast buffet. It goes without saying that the buffet was really huge. It had Mexican, continental, South Indian, North Indian, and West Indian breakfast. Well, I had some fresh cut fruits, corn and peas, salad, some muffins, some strawberry yogurt, and pav bhaji, baked beans, and later I also had some chocos with milk, bread toast, and cashew nuts. That's too heavy, I know. We spent the daytime exploring some places of Hyderabad and shopping. You won't see that in this video as this one is only about our stay in Radisson, Hyderabad. Well, we returned to our hotel by afternoon as we had a lunch booked at the hotel only. The lunch buffet, as I have mentioned already, is the largest in Hyderabad. It has 10 starters, 30 main courses, and 15 desserts. So for my starter, I had some palak pakora and stir fry veggies. I had simple main course as I had a heavy breakfast in the morning. My plate included dal chawal, aloo gobi, and bhindi ki sabzi. That's it really. For dessert, I had Hyderabad's special double ka meetha, shahi tukda, sevaya, some brownie, and strawberry ice cream. After lunch, we returned to our room and rested for some time. The evening was mostly about some pending work I had. We had some green tea and later winded up. The next morning was our last day at Radisson. We started our day with the breakfast buffet, obviously. From the huge buffet, we brought to our plate uttapam, dosa, and bread toast. After breakfast, we went for swimming. It was a wonderful day. The water was cool, the breeze was pleasant, and the city view from the pool was just breathtaking. Though I do not know swimming, I had a great time in the water. My husband is a good swimmer, so he also had a wonderful time. Just like every good thing comes to an end, our staycation at Radisson, Hyderabad ended with a beautiful memory that we will cherish through our upcoming mundane life. If you enjoyed this video, do give a like. If you are seeing me for the first time, do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.